Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to close a position on eToro. Just open the app. After logging in, you will get right here. Then go to your portfolio by clicking on the pie chart and then decide which position you would like to close. For example, I'd like to close my meta position, so I click on the three dots on the right and then close. And here you can decide whether you would like to close all your open positions if you have more than just one, or you would like to close specific positions. For example, here I have a profitable position and a not too profitable one, so I will choose only the green one. Click on close and close trade. And that's basically it. Thank you for your attention.